Hello, children. Today we will discuss the characteristic features of First Kingdom Monera. Monerans are simplest unicellular prokaryotic organisms. Unicellular, they are single celled. Prokaryotic, well defined membrane bound nucleus is absent. Cell wall may be present or absent. Cell wall is not made up of cellulose as in plant cell. Cell wall in bacteria is made up of polysaccharide. Mode of nutrition may be autotrophic, as in blue green algae and cyanobacteria, that is, they can prepare their own food, while others are heterotrophic, like Vibrio cholerae. Heterotrophic mode can be of three types: parasitic, saprozoic, and symbionts. Parasitic depend on host for their food, saprozoic depend on dead and decaying matter, and symbionts they are mutually benefited. That is, they live together and benefit each other. Bacteria. Most of the monerans are bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic, single celled organisms. They are found everywhere in air, soil, water, and even in the food we eat. The different bacterial shapes are spherical, cocci, rod shaped bacilli, spiral, spirilla, comma shaped vibrio. There are many other different shapes also, but the four basic bacterial shapes were cocci, bacilli, spirilla, and vibrio. Structure of bacteria. Largest group of microorganisms on earth is bacteria. The structure of bacterial cell was studied under electron microscope. The outermost covering is called capsule, which is also known as slime layer. It allows bacteria to fix itself to the other surface of cell, and it also protect the bacterial cell from other larger microorganisms. This capsule is made up of polysaccharide. Cell wall. Cell wall gives shape to the cell, and it is made up of peptidoglycan, a special type of protein. And cell wall also provide protection to the bacterial cell. Cytoplasm is the gel-like matrix which is filled inside the bacterial cell, bonded by the membranes, and it lack most of the organelles. Nucleoid. Nucleoid, as you all know, a true nucleus is absent in bacterial cell. The nucleoid is just a space where a single DNA strand is present without any membrane. Flagella. Flagella is a thin filament which is made up of protein, and it allows bacteria to move from one place to another. Villi are also a small hair-like projections which provide the locomotion to the bacterial cell, and they also help in transfer of genetic material from one bacterial cell to other. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are the only cell organelles which are freely present in cytoplasm, and they help in protein synthesis.